Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this. Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5-6. I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dropped, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hotkeys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater. Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, open up some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and egg, make profits. Light up, watching them gain, make profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing, dog? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits. That TTG money gang, we some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. It's first trading day of the week, and it's a damn good one. Thanks to the analysis from last night's live stream, I gave you guys some top trade ideas coming into the week, the stocks I was focused on, the prices we're looking at to entering and exiting, and man, did they work out beautifully. So congratulations, huge shout out to anybody that was with me last night going over top trade ideas. You guys had some fantastic ways to make money today. And a huge shout out, obviously, to my TTG fam who had the very best chance of making money, obviously trading with us live throughout the entire trading session, whether it was Microsoft or Carvana or BABA or AMD, whichever it was, or PWM. Lots of opportunities out there. And I told you this yesterday. I told you last night that this week was going to be a big week, and it's starting off first day of the week, and it certainly did not disappoint. Let's talk about what happened in the markets today and what we expect going forward, because the list of catalysts is still very, very long. This week is just getting started. My name is Michael Edward Paranati. I go by Michael Edward. I began my career working at a fund in New York City, T3 Alpha Fund, my very first job right out of college. Then 2008 happened. 2008 was the Great Recession and the stock market crash, but was also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Before they let me touch $1 of their money, I first had to go through a 3-month educational training program where I was taught by professionals the proper way to navigate markets. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of TTG, and along with 10 professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of traders and investors from all over the world reach their goals. We actually have members in over 115 countries, not over. I think we have exactly 115 countries. So I want to be clear on that. Truly a global community here at True Trading Group. If you guys don't know by now, we are the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university and professional level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools. We do live workshops and offer individual mentorship on stocks, options, futures, crypto, for all styles of trading. We do day trading, we do swing trading, we also do long-term investing. There's something for everybody, folks, inside True Trading Group. You see, we take that university level of curriculum, which is a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund in New York. We take that, we combine it with today's top financial tools that are worth over $5,000 a year on their own. These are tools that you guys should be using. They give you more information, they help you make better decisions, they increase your chances of success. You should be using them. You'll also get access to all of our members, the most educated, helpful, and supportive community of traders you're ever going to find. And of course, the real-time trade alerts from myself and the other mods that have been able to cumulatively, as a group, maintain a win rate on all of our executions of just around 80% now going on the last 3 years. So if you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live here where myself, other TTG Pro trading mods, and special guest drop golden nuggets give you free lessons in education, market commentary, and analysis that can help you become better traders. So take a moment. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, make sure you guys never miss out on any of these lives. Now, aside from us having a great day inside chat, aside from the analysis from last night being spot on, aside from all the long list of catalysts that we still have unfolding this week, this is going to be a fantastic live stream because I'm giving away $1,000. Okay, one of you is going to win $1,000 later on this live stream, but you're all going to be obviously armed with the game plan and the resources to make money for the rest of the week. Here's how it's going to go down. In a moment, I'm going to provide you with a code word. In the middle of this live stream, I will provide you with a second code word. Then towards the end of the live stream, we will have everyone's name in a random name picker that is called the Wheel of Names. We will spin that wheel. And if your name is called, okay, you will have 5 minutes to send a text message to the phone number that we provide for a chance to win $1,000. You must know both code words. So in a moment, I'll give you the code word. Okay. So again, first code word, second code word in the middle. We do the spin then later at the end. How do you claim the money if you win? Just have a PayPal or a Venmo account. We'll send you guys the money. Simple as that. But you got to know both code words. All right, you guys got to know both code words. So I'll give you that in just a moment. But let's kind of recap a little bit on why I've been so excited. Why I've been so excited about this week. Because if you caught my live stream last night, I think maybe you can feel a different sense of excitement coming into this week. A lot of people took off a vacation last week, right? A lot of people maybe necessarily weren't around. But everybody is back this week. All market participants are back because the amount of catalysts that are coming out are huge. And I said last night, I believe that this week could be the tipping point. It could be the tipping point between recession or soft landing. Right now, there's about 50-50 odds. It really is split about 50-50 right down the middle between, are we going to have a mild recession or are we just going to pull off a soft landing? We're pretty much split down the middle 50-50. But I think the catalysts that are unfolding this week could start tipping that scale in one direction. Okay. So that's why I'm so excited about this week. And I really felt that we were going to have some really good trading opportunities this week because I look around and I'm looking at these charts over the weekend. I'm like, man, I really like a lot of these setups. And we talked about a lot of those setups over the weekend. So guys, here, what I'll do, the very first code word here, I'll give you guys the first code word here now. Okay. So again, this is the first code word for our giveaway. We're giving away $1,000 on this live stream. So the very first code word, okay. The first code word is Sunday. Sunday. The first code word is Sunday. Okay, not Saturday, not Monday, Sunday. Sunday is the first code word. All right, Sunday is the first code word for today's $1,000 giveaway. Towards the middle of this live stream, I will give you the second code word. All right, you're going to need to know both code words if your name is called in order for you to win the $1,000. So good luck to all of you. All right, first code word is Sunday. So speaking of Sunday, getting back to our live stream from last night, I was talking about the volatility, and the volatility is going to be returning back to the market. You saw big moves in a lot of individual stocks this week. Now, I want you guys to understand the concept behind volatility because volatility equals opportunity. I say it all the time. Trading is not a get rich quick scheme, right? I say that. You hear a lot of people say that, and it's not. It's not a get rich quick scheme. But when you have moments of excessive volatility, it's the closest damn thing that you're going to get to resembling a get rich quick scheme because these stocks will make very large moves in a short period of time. And you started to see that today. You take a look at Carvana. Carvana up, 16%. Right? You take a look at MicroStrategy and Coinbase ripping into the close. You had heavy sell-offs in the technology stocks. Okay. Heavy sell-offs in technology stocks early in the session, like Apple and AMD and Microsoft and Alphabet and Amazon. Heavy selling pressure in those names. Heavy selling pressure early in Meta. Then Meta recovers all the way back up, finishing up right around 1.5% on the day after selling off early. There's a lot of volatility out there in this market. And stocks go down faster than they go up. I always say that bulls take the stairs, bears take the window. Stocks go down faster than they go up. And that's what volatility is. Volatility equals large movements, bigger movements in shorter periods of time than normal. That's what volatility is. And those bigger movements provide us as traders with tremendous opportunities. Guys, stop typing the code word in chat, please. All right, stop typing the code word in chat. All right, that was the first code word. That was the very first code word. All right. So understanding how to capitalize from the volatility and ways to participate with that volatility is crucial. And in order for you guys to capitalize from the bigger moves, because the bigger moves mean that you guys can make more money bigger percentage gains, bigger percentage movements, but it also leaves you open, if you don't know what you're doing, to larger percentage losses. Okay. That's why it's important for you guys to understand and be part of a community of experienced traders during times of extreme volatility. And True Trading Group, we dubbed this year the year of the active opportunities for good reason, because we came into this year thinking that the market was going to return back to a state of normalcy. We're going to get some more volatility as you battle the recession soft landing kind of theme. But then going into 2024, the markets kind of just return themselves to normal. This is going to be a huge week. All right. The volatility of this week between all the Fed members that are going to be speaking. You had a handful of Fed members speak already today. You've got another Fed member speaking tomorrow. You got CPI inflation data on Wednesday. You've got the beige book on Wednesday. More Fed members speak on Wednesday. Thursday's PPI data, jobless claims data, Friday's consumer sentiment. You have bank earnings starting on Friday as well. I don't remember a week where there were this many catalysts jammed together in one trading week. There's like 20 different catalysts if you count each individual Fed member speaking, which you should. There's like 20 different catalysts this week between major economic data points and Fed members that are going to be speaking. That is going to create the trading opportunities, and we capitalize on a boatload of them already here today, and it's only Monday. But we're not done. I told you last night this is going to be a big week. It's already starting out on the right foot, and I anticipate a lot more of this. I told you last night I would not be surprised if we come into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday live streams and we're talking about this triple-digit gain, that triple-digit gain. Well, today, members already nailed about a 50 to 70% gain, depending on where they entered and which strike price and expiration they bought on the put options on Microsoft, which is my trade of the day today. Was Microsoft short early, and we caught like a $4 or $5 move to the downside on Microsoft, and members were able to pull out 50 to 70% gains on that. This is the type of opportunity that you are missing if you are still sitting on the sidelines. It's not about meme stocks anymore. It's about the overall markets and the moves that these stocks are making. And I'm focused this week, guys. I told you last night, I'm coming to this week and I'm making money, and I'm starting the week off on the right foot. Made some good money today, and TGD members are making money and they're becoming better traders. And we are known for killing it during times of volatility. This is where we thrive in True Trading Group. It's these moments of volatility. And you don't have to take my word for it. Members of TTG, do me a favor. You guys type the number 1 if you're making money and you're becoming better traders because of True Trading Group. Just go ahead and type the number 1. Anybody that's on this live that's not a member, pay attention very, very closely to how many people are about to type the number 1, because these folks are your peers. These people are just like you. They are no different. They had the same excuses: full-time job, no experience, lost money before, small account, scanned by some other group. But now they're telling you that they're actually making money, becoming better traders. How could that possibly be? I assure you, it is not because I am a psychic. It is not because I can predict the future. It is also not because I showed them some special, super, top secret chart pattern or indicator that Wall Street and the hedge funds taught me that they don't want the retail trader to know. All of that is nonsense. The reason why these people are able to achieve their goals is because they have access to a first professional level of education, similar to what I received working at the fund in New York, access to some of the top trading tools that are available in this market. And they're part of a community of traders that genuinely give a damn whether or not they succeed or fail. That is why these people are typing the number 1 and telling you that they're making money and they're becoming better traders. The list of catalysts is unreal this week. So you better be paying attention. You better be getting your butts in chat. If you can't be in front of your computer, don't worry about it. Get on the mobile app. Our mobile app is available on iPhone and Android. All you need is this. That's it. Cell phone. You can see our chat, see the screen share, because the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic all day with you. We're not gone after an hour. And you get real-time push notifications when our orders execute. All right. When our orders execute, that's when you guys will receive all your push notifications. That's how you can follow along with everything that we're doing inside of chat. You had 4 Fed members speak today. You got Bullard speaks tomorrow. You got CPI on Wednesday. 2 more Fed members on Wednesday. The Fed Beige Book, which shows you economic activity from all the different Fed districts around the country. Then Thursday is PPI data. Then you've got another Fed member speaking Thursday. And you have jobless claims data on Thursday as well. And then Friday, bank earnings begin. JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, the big banks start coming out reporting earnings, and you have consumer sentiment data. That is all happening this week. So listen to me very carefully. Last week was a short week. It was a vacation week. A lot of people weren't here. But this week, make no mistake about it. I told you last night. I'm telling you again today. I'm making money this week. Everybody's back. All market participants are back. All of our moderators are back. Everybody is back because everybody knows the trading opportunities that this week is going to provide for us. So you guys better get ready for it. Let's go ahead. Let's start diving into it. Guys, in order to continue on this conversation with me and kind of recap what happened in the markets today, I'd like you all to give a big shout out. And I'm going to bring on my business partner and the co-founder of True Trading Group. Everybody give a shout out to Adam.
Yo.
I
do not know what is going on here. Give me 1 second.
That was anticlimactic.
Yeah. There we go. Now I'm back.
All right, there he is.
All right. So let's talk about it. Also, Mike, do me a favor real quick before we get into it. Ask how many people are, let's see how many people are not True Trading Group members. If you're not a member of True Trading Group and you also want a chance to win a free $1,000 live on this live stream, go ahead and type TTG in chat. If you are not a True Trading Group member and you would like a chance to win $1,000 live on this live stream, go ahead and type TTG in chat right now.
Yeah, go ahead, type TTG, folks. We're giving away $1,000 on this live stream. If you guys want a shot and you're not a member, go ahead and type.
And if you're not a member, I will open it up for you as well.
Woo! Adam's feeling frisky. We got Tony Savage. Welcome back. Smooth Operator. Marisa, Bosch, Tim, Sean, Part, Steve, Skis, Liberty, Jamie, Sanja, The Bling Store, Joshua Greer, what's up? AG, Sam, Jim, Patrick, Joseph, Val, Trigger, Joseph Copeland, what's up? Melissa P., how are you? Joshua, Terry, TWM, Sky, All in a Family, Art, Johnny Gutierrez, you are back. Never misses a live stream. Sonny.
Johnny Gutierrez is already in the giveaway.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Sonny, Richard, this is it. Last chance. Era, Jeff, Darren, Toolshed, Steve, Isha, Terrell, Mila, Brandon, Jamie. I can't even read these all, Adam. There's too many.
All right. Well, here's what you need to do. Okay, here's all you need to do. Mike, go ahead and I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes. I'm going to give you a link, and then I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes. Okay? The way this is going to work is as follows. You will have 10 minutes, if you are not a member, you will have 10 minutes to fill out a survey online. Yes, this survey, has personal information included. However, it all remains private. We do not sell, barter, or give away or leak or any part of your information. This is so that we can create more or less a solid lookalike audience to help us with marketing and advertising down the road. You will not be solicited from this, none of that. We are looking to understand the demographic of people that would go ahead and interact with True Trading Group.
Yeah, we want to further understand the TTG demographic, our members, our viewers.
And I am willing to give away $1,000 to one of you in exchange for your participation. It's that simple.
Awesome.
Okay. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to post a link in chat. All you have to do is click that link, fill out the survey. It takes about 5 minutes. We're going to put 10 minutes on the clock. All right. When the timer is done, it's like school, pencils down. That's it. And whoever is on the list by the time we are done, then we're done. Okay.
Excellent. And then we'll see. We'll see who wins the $1,000.
And make sure when you're done, come back here.
Yeah, come back here because you're going to need the second code word, and we've got to spin the wheel. So we're going to do that all right here on this live stream with you guys. So go ahead and fill out that survey, guys.
All right. I'm going to post this in the main. I'm going to post this in chat. Let me end the poll so you guys can see it. Okay. So I just posted it. And if you're a TTG member and you have not done this yet, go ahead. You can do it now too. Okay. So, but go ahead, click the link in chat right now. Fill out that form. Let's put 10 minutes on the clock. And then while we're doing that, Mike and I will get us all nice and warmed up for today's live stream. All right, 10 minutes has begun.
All right, guys, go ahead, click that link, fill out the survey. It'll take you 2 minutes. Fill it through, and then good luck. You guys will have a shot. So that's how you enter the giveaway. You fill out that survey. Your name is then entered into the giveaway, and then we will spin that wheel, and you guys all have a shot at $1,000.
All righty. All right. So, Mike.
Adam.
Tell me a little bit about what happened in the stock market today. Let's go over that. By the way, we'll give out the first code word a second time, so it's fair for everybody.
Yeah, I like that. We will give. Want me to give it now?
Let them fill it out first, and then in 10 minutes, we'll give it out again.
Okay. All right. So I'll re-announce the first code word just to be fair to the people that are just filling out the survey now. Okay. So what happened in the markets today? The market held a key support level today. We held a key support level today. We started out the day kind of gapping down, started the day gapping down. We recovered in the pre-market session. The markets opened up. We pushed a little higher, pulled back to the downside, and then we held Friday's low. And that's very important. Okay. We held the Thursday's low. Okay. Thursday's low. This is the level that is going to be an important one. Okay. And I'll go to let me go to a daily chart just to make it easier on you guys, easier on your eyes. Right. So here you guys can see this level, right? So you guys see this level, and I'll draw it out. See, there's this bottoming tail here. And then you'll see again, here's this bottoming tail here. So this is a nice little double bottom that you had set up there on the spot. Now, on the live stream last night, I told you that I believe that the candlestick formation that we got last week is going to lead us to a little bit more downside. And my thoughts on the overall market was to get a little bit more of a pullback going deeper down into like this range, like just a low 430s. Nothing. I'm not looking for the SPY to get all the way back down to here or anything like that. I'm just looking for us to pull back a little bit further. And today the market just kind of sat there very quietly, traded sideways for the entire day. And very, very at the very last moment, right before the close, we had a little pop into the bell. Very uneventful day in the overall market. This is what the SPY did today. You can see very tight trading range. You can see we really didn't do all that much. But the individual stocks that we had on our watch list from last night were absolute freaking monsters. Okay, absolute monsters. So what I would like to actually do, we have a couple of video clips for you guys that we were able to grab from last night's live stream. Okay, and what I want to go through with you guys is first and foremost, if you guys are new to this channel, okay, if you're new to this channel and you guys are not familiar with me or True Trading Group in general, we are not Monday morning quarterbacks. I do not come on this live stream and say, hey guys, this is what happened already today. Yes, of course we do that. We go over the trades, we go over the markets, we go over the news, we go over lessons you can take away from what transpired during the day. We recap our trades, wins and losses. But I also tell you exactly what I believe is going to happen tomorrow, this week, next week. I put my neck out there. And sometimes I'm wrong, but I'm right a hell of a lot more than I am wrong, like last night. Last night, I give out I think 5 or 6 trade ideas. I think we missed on one of them. Okay. The analysis was absolutely spot on from last night's live. And this is the kind of analysis that you get from True Trading Group. You're going to get this every single day because before the market ever even opens, we come on, the moderators and I, we give you guys watch lists. We give you our game plan. These are the stocks we're focusing on. These are the prices we're going to enter. These are the prices we're going to exit. So you already know before the market opens exactly where our focus is. 10 professional traders. Where are we focusing? What are the stocks we're going to buy? What are the stocks we're going to short? And what prices are we entering and exiting those trades? I understand you guys are busy. You have, other responsibilities. Some of you have full-time jobs. Rely on us to do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Now, listen, I can't pull the trigger for you. but I can tell you exactly when I pull the trigger. I can tell you where my orders are, and I can tell you exactly what I think these stocks are going to do. And that's what we did last night. And that's what we do every single morning before chat even opens. 2 of our top trade ideas that we went over for this week: Carvana, long; Microsoft, short. These were 2 of the top ideas from last night's live stream. Okay. So I want to go over all this stuff with you. I want to start things off with actually Carvana. Carvana was actually the first stock that we mentioned on our live stream last night. Okay. But we were able to we capitalized on it was Microsoft, Carvana, AMD, and Alibaba. All of those trade, and I didn't trade all of those, but these are the trade ideas.
5-minute warning.
5-minute warning for those of you that are filling out the survey for a chance to win $1,000. Now, I didn't trade all of those. Microsoft was my big winner. I didn't trade all of those, but these are my top trade ideas that I issued to everybody, okay, inside True Trading Group, and I shared that with people on last night's live stream. So here's a quick video clip from last night's live stream when we discussed our analysis for Carvana. Let's go ahead and play that clip. This is a very important level for Carvana. If you see Carvana on Monday gap above $30 and you pull back to 29, if this stock cannot get underneath 29, you gotta be long, in my opinion, and I will be long. If this thing, let's say, opens at, let's say, $30.15, right? Let's say that's where we open tomorrow. And off the open, we drop to $29.40. And right away, we're back to $30.20. Whew, I'm long. I'm long right there at $30. My stop will be under 29, and I think we go to 33, 34. You'll be looking at a 3, 4, maybe even a 5-to-1 type of trade, because then I think you'll start to see the short squeeze, and I think you can really start to see that extension. If it cracks under 29, I'm going to step away from it. So again, I want to see the stock. I have a very specific plan. I want to see it gap above 30, drop into the 29s, hold 29s, then get long and look for the move with a stop under 29. If we drop under 29 early, I'm going to take a step back. I'm not going to be in a rush to get long. I'll let the stock prove to me that it's got some strength. My secondary support level will be down around 28. You get under 28, I'm going to probably let it go completely and take it off my screen. But that's going to be my, one of my top ideas coming into the week. So there's the analysis on Carvana from last night's live stream. Now, we talked about 2 different possible trading scenarios for the price action on Carvana. With the theme, we want to be long Carvana, right? Carvana, short squeeze. If Carvana gets over 30, you heard me say it right there. I think this has room to 34. Does anybody want to take a crack at what the high of the day today was on Carvana? 34.50. High of the day today on Carvana. So we said if you get over 30, stocks got room to 34, 34.50 high of the day. So there was 2 different ways that you can look to play Carvana today. You heard me say first, which was what I would have preferred. Guys, 3 minutes left on the survey for those filling out the survey. What I was looking for was saying, hey, if we gapped above that $29, $30 level, watch for the pull back into it and then to get long for that support level to hold. The other scenario was, you heard me say, secondary support, 28. If it gets under 28, I'm going to probably walk away from the long idea. So secondary support at 28, I drew this. We did not get the gap up to 30, drop to 29 to get long. Instead, you got the pullback to 28, secondary support holds 28, and then we broke 29.30, and then all hell broke loose. And members were able to really just capitalize on this. We had basically the entry points was anywhere in this zone. Once the $28 level held, you had a lot of people inside of chat just grabbing this trade long underneath 29. And then once you got over 29, $30, and then just the entry points all the way up through on this breakout candle can give you an entry point. And I mean, people were in this trade all over the 28.50, 28.80, 29.25, 30, 30.25. A lot of members were in this trade anywhere inside of this range. And then you get this beautiful follow through move that takes you all the way up to 34 and change. That is right off yesterday's game plan and watch list. We said one of our top ideas was Carvana long, and members were able to kill it today. So congratulations, those of you that you caught the live stream last night. We talked about this over 29.30, being long up to 34. I don't think Carvana is done yet. I think there is still some more upside here. This is a very heavily shorted stock. It's going to stay on my watch list for the foreseeable future. I think you could still see a little bit more of a squeeze, but don't be a pig about it. The stock has made a huge move. Okay, the problem that happens whenever you say the word short squeeze, everybody thinks it's the next GameStop. Everybody thinks it's the next HKD. Stop trying to catch a stock's entire move. Don't just sit there and say, oh, Carvana is going to go to 100, so I'm not going to sell until it gets to 100. Don't make that mistake again. Go back and ask every single person that is bag holding AMC if they wish they got off of the train when the stock was moving higher. Every single one of them is going to tell you yes. Don't let a winning trade turn into a losing trade. Don't be a pig. Take profits. Bears make money. Bulls make money. Pigs are the ones that get slaughtered. So take your profits off as the stock extends. But I think there is still a little bit more upside on Carvana. I don't think this short squeeze is done yet. I think you could see this thing maybe $38, $39 as early as tomorrow. It stays on my watch list for tomorrow. I do not have a position currently, but it's going to be back on my watch list for tomorrow for the potential day trade to capitalize on the follow-through momentum. Potential support levels for Carvana going into tomorrow is going to be 33.75, 34, 33.75, 34. Potential support level there for us, maybe even down to 33. Anywhere in this region you see right here, I think I'm going to rely on this to be a support level and see if we get above today's highs and then continue the short squeeze on Carvana. All right, so that was Carvana. Next up, guys, you only have about a minute or so.
Real quick. Guys, for those that don't know that maybe just got here a second ago, we are giving away $1,000 live on this YouTube channel, on this live stream in just a little bit. I gave people 10 minutes. There's a lot more people that came onto the stream. I want everyone to have an opportunity to take advantage of it. So real quick, if you are not a member of True Trading Group and you would like a chance to win $1,000 live on this stream, all you need to do is fill out the survey. It is posted in the YouTube chat. Okay, posted in the YouTube chat. Let's see how many non-members we still have on here real quick, Mike. Why don't you ask them?
Yeah, sure, guys. Again, just type the letters TTG if you guys are not a member here. And if you guys want a shot at winning $1,000, you just got to click the link Adam just posted in chat, fill out that survey, and then you guys will have a shot at $1,000. We're going to give away $1,000 here on the stream in just a bit.
Olga says, why do you need information not related to TTG? Very simple. We want to know where people are, spending their time online, what they're interested in, so that we know where to advertise and market appropriately. It's called a lookalike audience. So by knowing what you're into, by knowing the things that you enjoy, the things you don't enjoy, the type of trades that you have, it allows us to tailor our content much better to you. Right. And it also allows us to make sure that we're trying to put our content in front of the right people.
Right.
So that's exactly why.
Just trying to better understand our audience and our viewers, Olga. That's all.
Yep.
All right.
This information will not be sold, bartered, leaked, anything like that. How is it safe? Well, it's on a SSL encryption. It is backed by JotForm, which is one of the largest, form and survey companies that are out there, independent from True Trading Group. So it's not like there's a bunch of data sitting on our server. And at the end of the day, we're a company that's been around since 2016, 2017. We have never had a privacy issue. We have never had any sort of data breach. We have never had any of those things because we take all the necessary precautions, but we also don't put ourselves in the position where that would be needed to. So we're not taking that information and trying to use it in any sort of way that could lead to something like that. This truly is just that, to understand our audience better. That's it.
Beautiful.
But it's on YouTube. Yeah, the link is on YouTube, but I'm not asking you to put your information, nor would I ever ask you to put your information inside of YouTube.
Yeah, Olga, that's JotForm. So yeah, we're just giving you the link right now, but when you click the link, you're going to be with JotForm, which is obviously, Adam said, a very well-known, very respected, survey company that's third-party, not related.
Yeah, like they have, millions of clients.
Yeah.
Anyways, So explain how they can win real quick. We got a bunch of people signing up right now for this.
Yep, guys, all you got to do, we're giving away $1,000. If you want a chance at the $1,000, you have to just fill out the survey that Adam just posted inside chat. If you don't want to fill it out, don't fill it out. You don't have a chance at winning $1,000. You don't have to do it, but if you want a chance at $1,000, you got to fill out that survey. That's how your name gets entered into the giveaway. And what do you think, Adam? Is it safe for me to give him the first code word again for everybody?
Give the first. Explain the code word thing real quick.
Yeah, guys. So listen. So everyone that is filling out the survey, you have a shot at $1,000, but you need to know the 2 code words. I am giving you 2 code words during this live stream. The first code word is Sunday. 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 That is the first code word. Sunday. Not Saturday, not Monday. Sunday. That's the first code word. In a little while, I will give you the second code word. And then towards the end of the stream, we're going to spin the wheel of names. If your name is called, you will have 5 minutes to send us a text message at the phone number we put on the screen. And you must give us both code words. If you do, congratulations, you just won yourself $1,000. We'll Venmo it to you. We'll PayPal it to you, whatever. Okay. And you guys will win $1,000. So that's the deal. So the first code word is Sunday. I'll give you the second one in just a bit.
All right.
All right, guys. So that was Carvana, right? That was the Carvana analysis from last night. Now let's go on and let's talk about Microsoft, because the other top trade idea that I gave you guys, I said 2 different stocks. I said Carvana, one of my top trade ideas. And then I said, I really like Microsoft, right? I really like very specific price action on Microsoft. Why? Fantastic. Glad you asked. Let's go ahead. This is a video clip from last night's live stream on my analysis on what I believe Microsoft was going to do today. Let's play that clip. Now, the next one, I kind of really like this next trade idea, Microsoft. I like Microsoft back to $330. So that's one part of the Microsoft trade idea, right? But there's more. Let me just ask. I'm going to leave this chart right here. Does anybody else see another chart pattern on this screen? I want a little test. Does anybody see another chart pattern on this screen? Because I'm going to show you what I see. Yes. There's my TTG fam. Head and shoulders. Yes. I love it. Great job, guys. Let's take a look. So you all see the resistance level at 342, right? I can delete that. So we all see this level. So we're going to delete that now. Now let's look, what else do we see? A large head and shoulders pattern with an up-sloping neckline. Now, here's the left shoulder. Here's the head. Here's the right shoulder. And here is the upward sloping neckline. So here is your head and shoulders pattern. Here it is. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. What I'm looking for out of Microsoft is I'm looking for Microsoft to drop down to this neckline, get down to around 334 and a half, then maybe try to bounce back to 336, fail, finally break 334, and then drop down underneath that neckline and trade back down into this region. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for on Microsoft. Okay, now I really hope you were paying attention to what I just said, because the analysis that I just gave you was extremely specific. It was very step by step. And now I'll recap. I'm looking for Microsoft to get down to 334. Here's a line at 334. This is the pre-market session, 334. And then I said, bounce back to 336. Well, there's your bounce back to 336. This line is 336. Then finally break 334 and then get short. That's exactly what I just said to you on last night's live stream inside that video clip. Get down to 334, bounce to 336, reject. Go back and watch the clip. We just played it. You can rewind and watch it again. Go up to 336, reject, break 334, and then get short. And as soon as he broke 334, you got this green candle. I stepped in and bang, right there, folks. Took the trade short right there. That is the entry. Okay, members were able to get into the 332.50 July 14th expiration put option. That ran about 50 to 70% gain, depending on where people were able to get into that position. But right there, right from last night's game plan with exact detailed price action, I told you exactly what we were looking for. This is the analysis you get at True Trading Group. It is not guessing. It is not predicting the future. It is based on setup and probability, because that's what trading is about. It's about identifying high probability setups. It is not about predicting the future. I'm not predicting the future when I say these things to you on the live stream last night. I wasn't predicting the future of that Microsoft. What I was doing was looking at a particular setup and knowing that over the last near 18 years of me doing this, that more often than not, when I see this setup, this is what happens next. Does that mean it happens 100% of the time? No. But I'll take 75% of the time, every time. And that's exactly what happened in Microsoft. We took the trade short right here, and then whoop. Are you kidding me? The thing just completely rolls itself right out of bed. Look at this thing, crushed right off that morning. That's a beautiful, beautiful short setup there on Microsoft. Congratulations, all of my TC fam, all of the members that capitalize on this. If you guys made money today, did you make money on Carvana? Did you make money on Baba? Did you make money on AMD? Did you make money on Microsoft? If you did, sound off in chat. Tell me how you did. You know I love to hear it. Now, full disclosure, I did make a losing trade today. That was on Meta, but we made way more money on Microsoft than we lost on Meta. Okay? So a beautiful green day for me today inside, or for big green day for members inside of True Trading Group. So congratulations to the TC fam. Like I said, guys, sound off. Tell me how you did. You know, I love it when the whole team hits. So congratulations, guys. Just a huge congrats. Now, I can go through, I have other video clips. I have the clip when we talked about Alibaba going up, continuing to the upside. We talked about AMD dropping down to 110. All of these things from last night's live stream, they all happened today. They all worked out beautifully. But to save you guys the time, I'm not going to keep playing you these video clips. Let's also start talking about what we expect now going forward. But I would recommend, if you guys missed it, maybe go back and rewatch last night's live stream. You can jump right to around the 58-minute mark, I believe, is when I start going through my analysis and what I believe is going to happen today. And I suggest you guys check that out, watch that. That analysis, I shared it with you on last night's live. But that's the analysis you get in chat every single day from not just myself, 10 professional traders. That's what Teach D is all about. So congratulations, guys, for capitalizing on what was an absolute beauty.
All right, and we're going to call it here with 1,000 people.
Wow, 1,000 people wow. So we have a total of 1,000 people.
Total of 1,000 people, yeah.
We have a total of 1,000. Wow, 135% gain on Carvana. Look at this. 40% gain, $200, 60% gain, $2,000, 100% gain. Look at this, 50% gain, 50% gain, 48% gain, $3,400 profit. Woo! Triple digits on all three for Memphis Street Doc, Baba, Alphabet, Microsoft, 52% for Jeff. 3-digit day for Kathleen. You know I love to hear it. Yes.
3-digit day for Kathleen?
Wait, yes. And also, Jaquan Holmes says, I like this guy. Jaquan Holmes, I like you too, man.
Flattery is going to get you everywhere with Mike.
I like you too. I'm a nice guy. You like me. I like you. Everybody likes everybody. We all have the same goal here. And that's very simple. Make money. The end.
I'm gonna give the first code word one more time. It was Sunday. The first code word is Sunday. Now, Mike, why don't you give him the second code word right now?
And the second code word is analysis. Analysis. That is the second code word for this giveaway, guys. The second code word is analysis. Analysis is the second code word. Analysis. You need to know both code words.
All right. Code word 1 is Sunday. Code word 2 is analysis. You will need both code words when the time comes. All right. Now we have 805 people that have liked this live stream. We need to get to 1,000 in order to spin the wheel. So start smashing the like button right now. Nice.
All right, guys, we need a little less than 200 more likes, and then we will spin that wheel and give all of you a shot at $1,000. Ty, I like your style. Ty goes, I didn't play Carvana. It only takes one good trade, and Microsoft was the one for me. Yeah. And that's the thing. In this market, because these stocks are making such big moves, if you hit one, you hit your daily goal. You're like, 30 minutes of work, an hour of work. I'll see you later. I'm going to go golf. I'm going to go to the beach. I'm going to go to the park. I'm going to go do whatever. Take your kid to the zoo. Who cares? That's a type of market environment that we find ourselves in.
Yep. If you want us to give away the $1,000, smash the like button. We're at 866. We just need 144 more. That's it. Smash that like button. We will go ahead and spin the wheel, give away $1,000. Also, I may have a little something extra.
Really? What do you got?
I may have a little something extra today.
You old sailor, you. Okay.
Yeah, I may let's see real quick. While they're all right, we need 100 people more to smash that like button. Please go ahead, smash the like button.
Don't you guys want a shot at $1,000? You just
smash the like button. It takes 2 seconds. There's 1,100 people on here. That's a sick ratio, by the way. That's not a normal ratio. So we have to be getting up to the top line of that.
That is a pretty sick ratio.
But yeah, make sure that you subscribe, smash that like button, share the stream. Sign up for my OnlyFans. I show pictures of my feet.
Way to go, James Puccio. $3,800 profit today for James Puccio. Great job.
All right. Anthony McInnes won the $500 yesterday. So he can attest that it is real.
Yes, he did win the $500 yesterday.
All right.
Today it's 1,000.
Guys, 68 more likes and we are good to go. 68 more likes and we're good.
That's it. All it takes is 68 more people to turn that thumb blue, and it's time to spin that wheel. You guys all have a shot at 1,000.
Also, the current viewers on the stream right now are 1123, which is really doing wonders for my OCD.
It's better than 1, 2, 3, 4. And it would be a really good sign if it was 1, 1, 1, 1.
Yes, it would, because then we'd make a wish. We'd all wish together.
Exactly. We'd all wish. Yes.
All right. 60 left. We need 60 people to smash the like button. If we can get 60 people to smash the like button, I may do a little side giveaway for several thousands of dollars while we're on this stream.
Wait, what? Wait, what did you? No, seriously. What did you just say?
I said, I'm considering doing a little side giveaway, which I'll explain in a second, for several $1,000.
Why?
Because I have a little idea.
All right.
But we got to get to 1,000 likes first. Nothing
You're
happened.
still not there?
No, but in fairness, I mean, you're reaching the upper echelon.
I mean, yeah, we have 1,100 people on the live stream. We have like 900.
But we're only 40 away.
Oh, we're 40 away, guys. We're so close. We're so close.
Again, the code words are, the first one is Sunday. The second one is analysis. You're going to need both of them. Oh my gosh. Okay, we only...
What do we have, 11?
We just need 30 more.
There might not be that many people that are... Those people might be on Twitch or Facebook.
I know.
They probably can't click the like button.
I know, but we're so... Oh, God. 20. We're 20 away. 17.
Wow. 17 to go.
17, 16. We really did maximize this out.
Yeah, we really did.
15.
This is crazy.
12.
12. Oh, 12 to go.
10.
10. 9. 8. No, it's still 10.
4.
4. Come on, guys. 4 more. We can do this.
99999. And who's going to do it? Somebody went down the other direction.
What an ass.
We were there. We were at 999. We need 2 more likes.
We're at 998.
There we go. There's 1,000.
Right, there it is. Thank you, guys. I love you.
Thank you.
Very much. Adam, let's spin that wheel.
Thank you for going ahead and smashing that like button. Now, really, really quick, one more time before we spin the wheel, and it'll give me time to download all the names and put them into the wheel of names. I need to know, Mike, I need to see how many people here are still, how many people that are here right now are not TTG members. Type TTG in chat.
Okay. Guys, again, type TTG in chat if you are not a member. See how many people that we still have on here that are not part of the community, while Adam loads up the names and gives everyone a shot here. So here we go. All right, Adam's going to load up the names. Look at all these TTGs that are coming through. Still a lot of members, or a lot of viewers rather, that are not members. Maybe one day you viewers will join the TTG fam.
I got a hunch that they may want to join tonight.
I see what you're doing.
I don't think you know what I'm doing yet, but
I don't know. I have no idea what you're doing, but I see the path. I don't see your destination, but I see the path.
That's very deep.
It is. I'm a deep guy, man.
All right.
Trade analysis comes from deep from within.
What did you say?
My trade analysis, it comes deep from within.
This is true.
I have to plug into the universe, you know?
So good.
I walk around the earth barefoot and let all the energy come up through my feet.
I really need you to stop communicating right now.
Let's spin the wheel, man. Come on. Everyone's anxious.
I understand. I am pulling all the names out right now so that we can.
All right, let's do it.
I hear you. I'm literally moving as fast as humanly possible.
All right, guys, bear with us. Adam is getting all of the names ready. Adam's getting all the names ready. We're going to spin the wheel. We're going to give everyone a shot at this $1,000. I'm excited for this. $1,000 is a lot of money. A. Franco feels good about it. A. Franco says, I'm going to win. I like that. Get it out there into the universe.
Yeah. Almost there. All right. Let's see. Replace. I just got to get rid of duplicates now. We're almost there, Mikey.
All right. I'm excited. Wow, look at that. This is why TTG members are incredible. Look at Ty's comment. If I win, I'm going to pass it on to anyone for a TTG membership, anyone who typed TTG. That is how incredible of the family members we have in True Trading Group. That Ty, if they win $1,000, they don't even want it.
Mike, why don't you do this while I finish getting it ready, because I need like 3 minutes. Go over what it is that you actually get with a True Trading Group membership.
Sure. Okay, so while Adam gets the – let me do that actually. While Adam gets everyone's name ready.
I'm almost there.
He's loading everyone that filled out the survey. He's loading their names into the wheel of names, and that's the thing. It's a random name picker, so he spins it, and he'll randomly pick one person's name in the list. So that's what he's doing.
And I waited. I got everybody that filled it out. So everyone that filled it out is going to get it. We got rid of a couple of duplicates, so we have a total of 885 instead of 1,000.
So you have a 1 in 885 chance of winning it. Pretty good odds of winning $1,000.
So I'm just getting it loaded up. So Mike, go ahead.
Yeah, guys, I'll tell you what you get with, if you do want to join True Trading Group, I'll tell you guys what you get with it, because our annual membership includes all of our courses and all of our tools. There are no upsells for courses. We don't sell you half the solution. It's a simplified and expanded upon version of the 3-month educational training that I received working at the fund in New York. You will also get $5,000 worth of tools from some of the top companies that are in the industry. Joe, why don't you actually post up a link to our entire curriculum? You guys can click on the link we're about to post in chat. You'll see all of the courses that you get access to: beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures, you name it. We've got it. You have access to all of it. There is no upsell for courses after you join. There's no VIP or pro courses that cost more money after you guys subscribe. When you join TTG, You get access to every single course. You also get access to all of our tools. Now, you guys can join True Trading Group right now for a 59% discount. The price is normally $2,212. However, you're on this live stream. That means you only need to pay $907 for the entire year. You go to ttgoffer.com. You must.
Nobody. Hold on. You don't need to get to that part yet. Nobody sign up yet. Nobody sign up. Chill, bro. I just said tell them what comes with a membership. Don't sell them anything.
Right, so I won't tell you how to join.
Someone could win $1,000 right now, and that'll be, and then they can do it them. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, sure, that's true. Someone can win $1,000 right now.
Let them win first, and then you can offer it. Plus,
right, so gotcha. So the other things you get aside from the courses, you get Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, congressional trading data to track trades by Congress, insider trading to track trades by Inside Management, Quote Media's full book level 2, Trading Views premium charting software, the Trade Ideas scanner, ETNA simulator lets you trade stocks with fake money but real-time data. Our own proprietary scanner lets you create custom scans, dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data, analyst ratings, a trading journal to track all of your trades, a social sentiment scanner to tell you what's being talked about most on social media. All of this is included when you join TTG's annual membership. You got study group sessions with our mods are included. Obviously, our watch list every day, the mods published with detailed entry and exit points for the stocks that we're focused on. It's all included, guys, when you join our membership. How are we doing, Adam?
We are good. Just making sure that the live stream is still good. Joe, can you see it on YouTube? We're still good? You got a little spinny thing on my end. Mike, you good?
I'm here, yeah.
All right. You ready for this?
I'm ready.
All right, let me go ahead and so is Nala. All right. All right, on my screen is the wheel of names. As I said, we have 885 people that registered for this giveaway for $1,000. One of you is going to win $1,000. I hope it's Man Fox. I'm personally rooting for Man Fox. All right. Somebody just put in all their real info, I assume, but a picture of a man and a fox. So hoping, I think it's funny, so I'm hoping Man Fox wins. All right.
Let's see.
No, not funny.
Yes, very funny.
All right. I thought it was pretty funny.
It was very good.
All right. Here we go. I'm so nervous. I hope somebody that needs it wins it.
Yeah, me too. I hope it goes with someone that could really use the $1,000 right now.
All right. If you're not a True Trading Group member and you don't win, do not sign off this stream because I probably have something for you. Okay? Here we go. Spin, spin, sugar.
All right, here we go. Good luck, guys.
Big shout out to Hans Gruber, who signed up last night. I thought you had died in Nakatomi Plaza in 1989, but apparently you are now a True Trading Group member. All right, who do we got?
Who's it going to be?
Oscar Dominguez.
Oscar Dominguez, congratulations. You have almost won $1,000. Oscar, what you must do now, you have 5 minutes. There is a phone number at the bottom of the screen. It is 786-505-4221. Oscar Dominguez, you have 5 minutes to send a text message to that phone number and give us both code words.
All right. If he does not do it, we will spin it again. And real quick, Siri. Hey, Siri, do me a favor, baby. Put 5 minutes on the clock, would you?
Okay. My Siri just went off, by the way, since you just did that.
Because I know how to talk to all Siris.
Yes. That's really good. So Oscar Dominguez, you've got 5 minutes. Guys, don't go anywhere. If Oscar does not claim this within the next 5 minutes, we will spin again.
So far, no go.
Well, I mean, it literally just
I know, but you would think, I mean, dude, if it's 1,000 buy, I'd be sitting there with the number already punched in.
Yeah, he could be driving. You don't know. Yeah.
All right, well, I'm going to remove his name out of here, and then we'll hold it for a second.
Maybe he's pulling over to, you never know.
No, that's true. He's got 4 minutes and 17 seconds. So we'll let that marinate for a minute. Now, for those that are not True Trading Group members, I'm going to make you kind of a sick little offer here. All right, everyone, if you are not a True Trading Group member, listen up and listen good. Okay? I know I don't want to set a bad precedent with this, but I also think that it's going to be amazing.
Okay.
All right. Oh, he got it.
Oh, he got it. Well, all right. Oscar, congratulations, man. Oscar just got it. Oscar, congratulations.
But don't go anywhere. I got something for you. All right. Here's what we're going to do. If you are not a True Trading Group member, right, I'm going to make you a pretty special offer. We're going to give you a huge discount off of the True Trading Group membership. We're going to give you a free laptop. We're going to give you everything we have to offer. You're going to sign up before this live stream is over. Everyone that does sign up before this live stream is over, just those people will be in the running for another giveaway with just those people for $1,000.
What?
Yeah. So let me repeat that. If you are not a True Trading Group member and you sign up for True Trading Group right now, what I will do is I will put your names into a giveaway like the spin the wheel that we just did. And whether there's 5 of you that do it, 10 of you that do it, or 2 of you, I will give $1,000. I will give $1,000 to one of you.
That's really, really, really good odds. Because maybe at the most, 10 people, maybe 15 people, the most.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 or 3. You guys, wow, you guys have a really good shot at it. Okay, so remember what I said about how I see the path that you were going down, but I didn't know your destination? Is that your destination, or did you fall off into a ditch somewhere? Was there an accident there?
No, that was my destination. All right, so tell them how much it is, how to sign up, all that. There you go.
Oh man. Okay. All right. So now I'll tell you guys how you can join. Now, if you guys want to take advantage of Adam's is in a good mood today. What happened today? You got to tell me when we're done with the stream why you're in such a good mood today.
Tell them how to sign up first.
I'll tell them. All right. So guys, listen. So go to ttgoffer.com. That's ttgoffer.com. You will manually enter the coupon code TTG121. You click apply code. The price is going to drop down to $907 for the entire year. There are no upsells for courses. There's no upsells for tools. It's $907. That gets you all of our courses and all of our tools. Now, there's other things we have that you could pay for if you want. If you want an 8-week mentor program, if you want a 2-day intensive boot camp on a specific topic, if you want to do one-on-one mentoring with the moderator, if you want to come to an in-person meetup that we host in Miami, we have all these extra things that do cost more money if you guys want, but the annual membership for $907 gets you every course that we have and every tool that we have. So again, this is a simplified an expanded upon version of the 3-month educational training that I went through working at the fund. Beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto futures, all of it's included. You get Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, congressional trading data to track trades by Congress, insider trading, track trades by management, just those things. If you went directly to Benzinga for them, you're going to spend well over $1,000 a year. You guys get access to all of that when you join True Trading Group right now for $907. That $907 price point is also going to come with a free laptop. We cover the shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. We have members in 115 different countries. So no matter where you are in the world, don't worry about it. We cover the shipping. We'll send you guys the laptop. Okay. You also get Quote Media's full book level 2. You get TradingView's premium charting software. You get ETNA's simulator, lets you trade stocks, options, and crypto with fake money. The Trade Ideas scanner streams on our platform every day, so you guys can use it to focus on the hottest stocks in the markets. Dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data. Some of you guys may pay for these things already. It's all included when you join us. When you go to ttgoffer.com, the price is going to say $2,212. Don't freak out. You're on this YouTube channel. You're not going to pay that. Use the coupon code, but you have to manually type it in. It's not going to do it automatically. TTG121. Click apply code. Then the price drops to just $907 for the entire year. You'll get the free laptop, and you will be entered in the running for another giveaway of just the people that signed up on this live stream for a chance at winning $1,000. Yeah. So if two people sign up, you have a 50-50 shot at winning $1,000.
Keep going. We have we have some laptops tonight, but only 7 of them.
Got it.
So let them know that as well.
So, okay, so there's only 7 of those laptops, guys. So only the next 7 people will get the laptop. We only have 7 of them. All right. We've got 7 of them that are left. So you guys would have to, as long as you see a laptop in your checkout cart, that's how you know that you're getting one. Okay. So if, you go to the site, ttgoffer.com, you see a laptop, then that's how you know you're getting one. All right. We also offer you guys a double your money back guarantee when you guys join True Trading Group as well. I stand behind the platform that we've created. I know I talk a big game on these streams, but I put my money where my mouth is. And that's why anybody that joins.
So is this offer just for today? Absolutely. It's just for today.
Yes. Yes. Go. This is definitely just for today. I didn't know Adam was going to do this. This is definitely just for today. So where was the double your money back guarantee? I put my money where my mouth is, guys. I believe in the platform that we've created. I believe in its ability to help you reach your goals. I really, truly, genuinely do. And this is how I prove it to you. Join now for $907. Go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend a study group, and actually utilize the platform you're subscribing to. Don't just log on 4 times all year and be like, oh, I didn't make any money. If you can't make back $907 at least one time during your membership, we will give you back $1,814. That is double what you're paying to join. That's the deal. I can do that because our refund rate is only 2.39% since 2016. If our refund rate was 15 or 20%, I wouldn't be able to offer you double your money back. We'd go out of business, but it's 2.39, so I can. 78% of our members renew their membership or have gone on to become lifetime members. And we're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with well over 2,200 reviews. So if I was you guys, go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code, and the price then drops right down to the $907, and you're good to go for the entire year.
We got to welcome Greg.
Greg, welcome, brother. And again, anyone that joins on this live stream, you will have a shot at $1,000. And we're doing a giveaway for the people that signed up on this live stream. We're going to give away $1,000 just to those people, or do a giveaway just for those people. So, Greg, welcome to the family. So far, Greg, you've won $1,000 because
if no one else signs up, Greg's going to make a $93 profit.
So if nobody else joins, Greg, you're going to make $93 for joining True Trading Group. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Greg.
So, Greg, welcome to the family. We have 6 laptops left now. Guys,
we got to welcome Jaquan.
Awesome. I hope I assume that's the Jaquan that I was talking about last time. He said, I like this guy. I like you too. I like you even more now. Jaquan, you've got a 50-50 shot now. Jaquan and Greg, we should make them battle it out like American Gladiator style. Maybe you do a joust.
With like the big puffy.
Yeah.
thing.
Yes. Do like a joust for the $1,000. We should do that. You guys have a 50-50 shot. As long as nobody else joins, Greg and Jaquan, you guys have 50-50 odds.
If nobody else joins, I'll split it between the two of them.
Oh, that's actually pretty. You know what? That's actually honorable. So if nobody else subscribes, if it's just the two people, we'll split it up $500 to each of you. I like that.
But Jeff Waldner screws it up.
Jeff said, not today. No. Jeff, welcome to the family. We're now down to just 5 of those laptops. Now you guys have a 1 in 3 chance of winning $1,000. Everybody welcome Jeff. Welcome Jeff to the TTG fam. Guys, again, you got to go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code, and the price drops down to $907. You got the double your money back guarantee. Don't forget, you got a free laptop. We cover the shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. You guys got a free laptop coming to you as well. It's going to be either brand new, either Asus, HP, Dell, or Lenovo. You might be wondering, how the hell is it possible? How could this company offer a double your money back guarantee? How can they offer a laptop? How can they do this $1,000 giveaway? You want to know how we can? Because our members are making money and they're becoming better traders, and 78% of them stay with us. That is why we do this, because I see the results that members have. People don't join True Trading Group and they're gone in 30, 60 days because they realize that they're not getting any value and they're not making any money. Members are making money and becoming better traders. And again, if you missed it before, I asked them, I'll ask them again. Members, type the number 1 in chat if you're making money and becoming better traders. Go ahead, type the number 1 if you guys are making money and becoming better traders. Now, guys, if you're not a member, go ahead and just try to count how many people are about to type the number 1.
Is it wrong that I really wanted ManFox to win?
We don't play favorites.
I really wanted him to win. I just thought it'd be funny to like have like the ManFox.
Yeah, it was. That was pretty good. But maybe next time, ManFox. So, guys, again, if you guys are not members, like I said, just pay attention to how many people are typing number 1. That's why we can do this kind of stuff. Our refund rate is 2.39%. 78% of our members renew their membership or become lifetime members. That's why we can offer this to you guys.
You know what's crazy? We have a comment from Gogo Yubari who says, I got to try next time. Guys, don't gaslight me into doing another one of these. We're not going to do this all the time. You can't just say, got to try next time like there's going to be.
Look at James Earl Scone's comment.
I don't see it.
Oh.
You have to say it.
Man, bear, pig.
Yes. So Gogo Yubari, you need to go and sign up now, because while this is cool to do every once in a while, it's really not feasible for me to give away thousands of dollars a day.
Wow, look at that comment from Ty. TGD has made it so that I don't care about my monthly bills anymore. That's incredible. That's awesome, man. That's awesome.
We got to welcome Joseph.
Joseph, welcome to the TGD fam. We're down to 3 laptops now. So welcome, Joseph.
So far, that's four that we've gotten.
Yeah, so 3.
All right, how about this? We sell out of all 7 laptops on this stream. We'll make it a $2,000 giveaway.
What? Can you stop?
Maybe I could. Could I?
No,
can I stop? I can stop.
Will you stop?
Let's see.
We're not doing a $2,000 giveaway, guys.
Yes, we are.
It's a $1,000 giveaway. You guys get a brand
if
new
all
laptop.
7 go on this live stream and it's still going, we will absolutely do a $2,000 giveaway to just those people that are signing. Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
You know, I like when you're in a good mood, like personally.
I love spending your money. We got to welcome Brian.
Come on, Brian. All right, Brian, welcome to the TTG family. Everybody welcome Brian. This is nuts. Brian, welcome to the TTG fam. Everybody welcome Brian. So what is that, 2? We have 2 spots left now?
2 spots.
Great. 2 spots now remain, guys. 2 spots now.
Who's it going to be? This is not a joke. So right now, if it stops right here, then 5 of you are going to go ahead and be in the running for $1,000. If we get to 7, then 7 of you are going to be in the running for $2,000.
Two more people. 2 more people. Action Jackson. Yes. I love it. Can I just sign up a family member? Says Christian.
No. It's got to be new people.
I mean, that technically isn't new people.
Yeah, no, that's true.
All right. Well,
all right.
TTGoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. That's what you have to do. Go to TTGoffer.com and then manually enter the coupon code TTG121. You click apply code. The price drops all the way down to $907. Enter your info, sign up. You don't have to enter your address to get that laptop. You'll get a welcome email with instructions how to claim it after you guys join. There are 2 of those laptops remaining. If 2 more people join and we sell out of the laptops, we're going to do a $2,000 giveaway just amongst those 7 people. So best of luck. You just need 2 more people to join. Otherwise, it's going to be a $1,000 giveaway for the 5 of you that have joined so far. If you guys have any questions, you can also send us a text message to 786-505-4049. Again, send a text message to 786-505-4049. If you have any questions, just text that number.
All right. What else we got to do?
I mean, I can go over some of the catalysts that we got coming up this week still.
That sounds like a good idea, Michael. Why don't you go over some of the catalysts?
Because we've got a lot of things that are still happening this week, guys, and I want to kind of still go through with you what I'm thinking about for the rest of this week. Let's go through this. Go back to a daily chart. I want to go through and show you guys some of these. Let's go back to the SPY. So what you have right now is the market is going to be stuck kind of trapped inside this channel. It's about a 5-point range. It's a 6-point range. It's from like this 443 down to 437. Technically you can say it goes up to 444. So I can, call it a 7-point range that we are kind of stuck in right now, which is going to be these tops that you guys see on the SPY. So there are these tops. And then here you have these tops. Okay. So these double top, and then here, these like this is a triple top. So double top here, triple top, and then that's going to be your resistance points. But here's your support level at 437. 437 is a really big area. Now, tomorrow is the least active of all of the catalyst days. Wednesday is the craziest. Tomorrow, you're going to be getting a Fed member speaking. So maybe tomorrow is maybe a slightly green day. I don't see tomorrow being a big green or big red day. I think we just kind of have a little bit of a pause type of day tomorrow, where maybe you see, a candle that just looks something like this, like something like that, just like a small little candle here, because Wednesday is when the real fun begins. Wednesday is when you're going to get your CPI inflation data. And if that, you really want to be focused not so much on the headline number. You want to focus on the core inflation number. The core CPI number, what's the difference between core and headline? Your core CPI number does not factor in food and energy prices. So that has been the area of inflation that has been very problematic and has been very, very, very sticky and is still far too high. If you get, for example, if that CPI number is above the core number, if it's above the expectation, That's going to be a problem for the market and will solidify.
Mike, we got 16 people on the checkout page. What happens if all 16 people sign up at the same time? Because they all see it in their checkout, the laptop.
As long as you see a laptop, then you guys are good.
So that means what?
I don't know, Adam. What does that mean?
I don't know. Let's let these first. If you see a laptop, you're getting it. So if they all sign up at the same time, then.
Oh, okay, then you're not going to be able to get rid of the laptop before it. Is that what you're saying? So we're going to have to give more laptops than the 2 that are left?
If they all do it around the same time, yeah. I'm not gonna play that game. You know what I mean?
Right.
Then Adam goes to then a new children's book is written called Adam Goes to Best Buy.
All right. So then if more than two people sign up, as long as you're signing up during this live stream, then I guess we'll buy, because we don't have any more. We'll have to buy more. We'll have to buy more laptops for you guys. So if there's 16 people in the checkout page, if all 16 of you sign up, then you all have a shot at the $2,000 giveaway, and you will all be getting a laptop. You'll all get a laptop. All right. It's going to be a free laptop. We cover the
Windows
shipping.
laptop.
What's up?
It's a Windows laptop, not a Chromebook.
Yep. Windows laptop's going to either be an Asus, HP, Dell, or Lenovo laptop.
We cover the shipping. You don't need to enter your address at checkout.
Right. All right. So back to the SPY. If that core CPI number is above expectations, I am 1,000% going to be short this market on a breakthrough 437 with a target of 431. We'll catch a 6-point move to the downside. That's what I'm going to be looking for if the core CPI number comes in higher than expected. I'm not here to tell you what the CPI number is going to be. I'm not here to predict that data. That's a guessing game. I don't do guesses. I do probability. And what I like to do, rather than guess data, which I have no edge or advantage over somebody else by trying to guess what a data point is going to be, I have game plans. If this, then that scenarios. If that core CPI number comes in above expectations, we're going to be short this market. Watch the 437 break. If 437 breaks, you look for a clear move down to 431. And that solidifies the rate hike at the July Fed meeting. And it also probably solidifies, another rate hike at the next meeting after that. And the market stops completely pricing in a rate cut this year. And that sends tech stocks and therefore the entire market to the downside over the next couple of weeks. And throughout the next couple of weeks, you're also getting earnings. So you're going to want to be paying attention to the earnings that come through. We got to welcome Jose. Jose, welcome to the family. One of those spots left, but I guess, just one left. All right, so Jose, welcome to the Teachy fam. Everybody welcome Jose. We also say, and Lillian, welcome.
Damn. All right. So now here's what just happened. Okay. Here's what just happened. First of all, let me get everyone's attention here for a quick moment, because here's what just took place. Ready? As Mike would say. Boom. All right. So here's what just happened. Oh my goodness. My chair just fell over. 7 people on this live stream signed up to become a True Trading Group member. I told them that if we got 7 people to sign up on this live stream, that I would do a $2,000 giveaway with just the people that signed up. I'm a man of my word, so congratulations. Everyone that signed up on this live stream, you and only you will be in the runnings for a $2,000 giveaway. Well, 2 $1,000 giveaways is what we're going to do. So $1,000. So we give 2 people a chance to win.
Wow. So their odds are even better then.
Huh?
So their odds are even better.
Yeah, I guess so, right?
Yeah. Yes. Their odds are much better. You're talking 2 and 7 instead of 1 and 7.
Oh yeah. Well, then there you go.
Yes. Their odds are much better.
All right.
You were doing 1 $2,000 giveaway, so you're going to do 2 $1,000. So now you guys have even better odds.
Hang on a second.
Wow. How could you guys not sign? This is crazy. You all, anyone that's not a member, you all should have signed up. I've never seen that. We've never done anything like this before. This is crazy. Adam, are you all right? What's going on over there, man?
The wheel on my chair fell off.
Oh.
All right, whatever. I'll deal with it later. But if I lean forward, I'm gonna fall over.
Don't do that. All right. Core CPI. If it comes in higher than expected,
wait, hang on. I'm not done yet. So now what we're gonna do is this. We will leave the laptops because there's other people that are still signing up, and they saw it on the page too. So we'll leave the laptop until we are done with the stream.
That's what I was going to say. If you sign up while we are live, you get a laptop. We'll just do it that way.
All right.
All right. So as long as we're still here with you, you sign up, you get a laptop. All right.
That's correct.
All right. So that's
and anyone else that signs up during this stream is included in that $2,000 giveaway as well.
Right. If you guys sign up on the stream, you're also included in the $2,000 giveaway. Or the two $1,000 giveaways. All right. So individual stocks that I want to talk about, I actually have AMD. AMD is one that I'm really focusing on. AMD got to our target today. Now, if you caught our live stream last night, we said we liked AMD to pull back to 110 and then bounce. Again, don't take my word for it. It's right on the live stream from last night. I'll draw a line at 110. Anybody want to take a gander at what the low of the day is today on AMD? 109.88, low of the day. And then the stock had a beautiful reversal today, actually going green on the day and then trading higher in the after-hours session. So that support level is still firmly intact. But now where does that support level come from? You'll take a look, you'll see support here and support all the way back here on the 6. When I take you to a daily chart, what else do we see at that level? Oops, let me delete that. I didn't mean to put that arrow there. Okay, what you see here now is this dark blue line. Guys, that dark blue line is the 50-day moving average. Okay, that dark blue line is a 50-day moving average. And now you have a very strong double bottom off of that. What I think you could see, if the markets do trade to the upside tomorrow, which after today's close, maybe you get maybe another $1.50 or so to the upside. If you guys get that, you could get a day tomorrow that looks like this on AMD. And this is going to be something that we're going to look for. AMD back to 116. Watching for support around 114, 113.50 support, seeing if that level holds and look for the push up towards 116. Not a huge move, but a trade that I am going to be looking at going through for tomorrow. We also already talked about the Carvana trade. Carvana in the middle of a squeeze. We're going to see if there's more legs to that. Guys, if you have any questions or if you're having a hard time signing up, don't hesitate. Send us a text message to 786-505-4049. 786-505-4049. Okay. I also want you to pay very close attention to Meta, because Meta got deep into the support level today and held. All right. So here is the previous resistance level for Meta. Right here it is. I'll draw it out. You guys can all see this. See all that resistance? Right? There's all that resistance. Then we broke through that level last week. We held support Friday. We tested support again today, and we held again. You have a very clear triple top, this flat top at 298. 298 was a brick wall today for Meta, an absolute brick wall. There's positive sentiment circulating Meta with how successful the launch of Threads has been, over 100 million downloads so far, and you're looking at this breakthrough 298. The successful test and hold today of 288. If you can look for Meta, if Meta gets through that 298 level, guys, you watch for Meta to climb up into the low 300s and maybe get to like 303, at least 302. You can catch a $4 to $5 move on Meta after we got deep into that support level today. I tried Meta long early today, and we failed to get through that 298 zone. I wasn't going to hold this all the way back. I wasn't position size. My position was far too large to go all the way back down to 287. So I got out of that trade, which was the right call, because then I was able to capitalize on the Microsoft short and finish the day with a nice green day. But now what we're doing tomorrow is coming right back in with the same idea, same long type of setup. We're going to see, can we break through 298? If you break through 298, I'm going to look for $4 to $5 of upside on Meta. And these are some of my top ideas that I have going into tomorrow. We'll see what happens tomorrow morning. If we're gapping up, we're gapping down. If I have to adjust those game plans, obviously I will. And members of TTG, you'll get the watch list as you always do in the pre-market session before the market's ever even open. You guys will know exactly what stocks I'm focused on and if any of these game plans change. If you guys are not members, if I change that game plan, you're going to have to wait till tomorrow's live stream for me to kind of go through that with you. But members will be live with us before the market's open, and I'll lay out the entire plan for you guys for tomorrow. Cool? Excellent. Fantastic. Guys, what we'll do now is take a couple of questions. Does anybody have any questions on anything that I just said, or does anybody have any questions in general about the markets or individual stocks or anything in particular? Now would be your time to ask. Don't be shy. Asking questions is how you learn. So just go ahead and ask away, folks. Again, guys, as long as you see a laptop, if you guys are signing up while we are live here, you guys are going to get a free laptop. T. Charles, do you guys trade futures? Yes. We trade stocks, options, and futures. Jason says, Costco up or down? Costco in a while. Short term down, not by much. You know, Costco is just in a consolidation phase with very heavy resistance here around in the 540s. Very heavy resistance here. You'll see resistance here, here, and here. And really all I think you're going to see here, Jason, is I just think that you're just going to settle. You're going to settle in. You're going to find support here, and then you're going to bounce right back. I see a consolidation pattern right now, Jason. I don't see conviction on direction, just to be quite honest with you. Like when I look at charts, you know, stocks go through phases. They go through breakout phases and follow through, and they go through consolidation. Right now, I just see consolidation on Costco, barring any crazy news release. Obviously, that'll change everything, but I can't, you know, predict what a piece of news. But I see heavy resistance up there in the low to mid 540s. I see support around 515 to 520. And I just think it's consolidating. I think you're just going to be kind of caught in that range on Costco. Guys, that 907 price point is only valid until midnight tonight. Okay, that 907 price point is valid until midnight tonight. The price was under $900 yesterday. It's going up again at midnight. So that 907 price point, that's 59% off. You guys, that's good until midnight tonight. Price goes up tomorrow. Amazon. Sherry wants to know about Amazon. You know, I still am watching Amazon here to see if you're able to break through this 130, 150. Amazon has just not been a very good day trading stock. It really hasn't moved. You know, you really see the stock has just been going sideways. It hasn't been a good swing trading stock. It just hasn't been a good stock to trade. It really has just been trading sideways. So I came into the week today, Amazon was going to be one of the, if the markets moved higher, Amazon was going to be one of the long ideas, because if you break 130, 150, then that stock has room. It's into a gap, and you could be looking at 134, 135 very quickly. But it just feels like that resistance level is too heavy. And now you're underneath the trade line. The trade line was support for 2 months. Now you're underneath it. I just feel like the stock is just, it's too choppy. I feel like it's too choppy. I feel like there's better things to trade right now than Amazon. Joshman, we okay. So everybody welcome Joshman or Joshmeen. Everybody welcome them to the TT family. However, you paid full price. You did not use the coupon code. So we owe you a refund. You're here on this live stream. If you just made an honest mistake and didn't use the coupon code correctly, we're not going to penalize you for it. So we will tomorrow send you the difference, okay, to the 907. So we'll give you the membership for the 907. It's not right. Everybody else is paying 907. It's not right for you to pay the full price of 2000. So we will refund you the difference. Jasmine, welcome to the TTG family. And we will give you, we'll send you that refund on the difference since you did not properly use the coupon code. Just fully transparent, guys. Guys, again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate. 786-505-4049. Mike, could you go over snow? Snow is, honestly, you guys are asking me about all these ticker symbols. I think they all, like, I haven't traded Costco, Snow, or Amazon in a while. And I haven't done that because I just don't see clear pattern. I don't see clear pattern. I don't see clear setup. I don't have conviction. I mean, I don't really see a clear pattern here. I don't really see conviction. I don't see heavy support. I mean, I do see a heavy support level, but not until you get to 158. Now, 158, I do think, is an area that we can look for a bounce, but you're all the way up at 170. You know, now, I mean, if you reject at 170 tomorrow, then if you get a red candle, like sometimes you need to give a stock more time to show you direction. And that's how I feel about Snowflake. I don't look at this chart and have conviction. Now, if tomorrow Snowflake does this, if tomorrow Snowflake does that, well, then that's a different story. That's a horse of an entirely different color. Because if we reject at the 50-day moving average, which is this dark blue line on my screen, and then you see the support level that you have here, that you had here around this 170, you guys can see, right? You guys can see the support level here. So if you reject at this area and then drop back and close around 166, well, then in that case, now I start to have conviction on direction. And I would say, look for a follow through to the downside in the next 1 to 2 days and try to get down to that 100-day moving average, which is also this previous pivot high, which was also support here. And that's a beautiful level of support. And then you can look to say, then I would say to you, Julie, tomorrow, I'd say, yes, I'd like this for a short, okay, against the 50-day and look for it to get down to 158. And that would be my analysis and how I would play that trade. But that's not the candle that we have right now. And until I see something that gives me conviction, it's a no trade for me. It can stay on the watch list, but it's a no trade for me for right now. And I think, you know, something else that's important that I want to point out, and hopefully you guys kind of see this as I'm going through my analysis, just because a stock is not a good long does not mean it's a good short. And just because a stock's not a good short does not mean it's a good long. Sometimes stocks just bounce around and they go through consolidation phases. All right. Guys, again, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. If you guys want that 907 price point before the price runs out. Shumzi, I'm sorry, Shumi. No, wait, is that the right username? Somebody asked me, was it? Yes, Shumi. Am I still in the tier 1 SPY puts? Yes. I'm still on the tier 1 next year expiration SPY puts. They're still tier 1 though. I have not added to that position, and I don't necessarily plan on it anytime soon unless I get the course, you know, unless I get a really high core CPI number, then I'm probably going to add to that position if I get a high core CPI number. How much knowledge should you have in the markets before starting to trade options, do you think? I definitely think that you should have some knowledge. I don't think that you should start trading options if you have no idea what you're doing. That's how you blow up your account. My advice to you would be to trade on the simulator, practice trading options because options have a learning curve, right? So make sure that you're trading options on the simulator first. You can blow up your account if you don't know what you're doing. So I would just take some time and make sure you just go through at least our beginner courses, and then go through our intro to options courses. And then I'd say, then go ahead and start trading on the simulator, and then at least wait until you have a 50% win rate and then start trading with real money. Any other questions, folks? Mattel? Wow. I have not looked at, I could not tell you the last time I looked at this stock. It's had quite the run. It's had quite the run. I'd be cautious. You're coming up to a huge resistance level. 2150 to 22 is a huge resistance level. And I'll just draw it out for you. So here you go. I'll show you the level. You can see all of this previous support, right? See all that support? You broke underneath it. You had the gap down. It became resistance. Then it became resistance, and now you're right. And now you're right at it. So, if you get another green day tomorrow, just be weary of a false break of 21.5 to 22. There's a ton of resistance up there once you get to 21.5 to 22. Okay. So I would watch that level very carefully, 21.5 to 22. If you're already long it, then I would say, I would take profits into that zone. Again, you also, what's your time horizon, right? If you're asking me about a long-term portfolio investment, that's different. We're talking about, I'm giving you analysis based on trades, whether it's a day trade or if it's a couple of days of a swing trade, maybe a week, something like that. All right. All right, folks. Well, I think, how we doing on the checkout page, Adam? Are we good to start wrapping things up? Eli Lilly, man, you want to talk about a monster? Do you know the wealth creation that Eli Lilly shareholders have had over the last decade? My goodness, when you look at this stock, look at this chart. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane, this chart of Eli Lilly. I can't call a short on this stock. Well, it does look like today the stock kind of broke trend. But you see this beautiful uptrend that you had on Eli Lilly, and you see how you were trading in that really nice channel. You can see that channel was very clearly defined. And then you really broke underneath that channel today. So, you're going to have traders going to be very tempted to step in and kind of short this thing. What I would say is, if you're going to try that thing short, you got to try to rely on resistance up in this region. I just think that this stock, there's just so much support. There's just so much buying on this name. It's one of those like, hey, just because it's not a good short doesn't mean it's a good long. And just because it's not a good long doesn't mean it's a good short. Getting long up here, I think, is very difficult. If you're going to try the long, again, this is another trade that this is a no trade for me, but I'm just giving you analysis. If you, I'm just giving you the analysis if you're in a position, but it's nothing that I would trade because I don't see a grade A high quality setup. I like to wait for, like what we talked about yesterday, right? We went over Carvana, Microsoft. I wait for those grade A setups and we attack them. For this, if you're looking for a long, 450 is the area, 448, 450, that's the area you want to try to be long. And you look for a move back up into the mid 460s. And I would just take your profit off right into the mid 460s if you're looking long. Guys, how many people are still on the live that are not members? I know we did the giveaway already. I'm just answering some questions now, but why don't you type the letters TTG just one last time for those of you that are not members, so I can see how many people are still on here with me that are not members of TTG, just so I know who we're talking to. Still have 1,000 people on the live. Just go ahead and type the letters TTG. Are you watching the 2-year this week? Yeah, absolutely. You have to be. You know, I've been watching the 2-year basically all year, but going back to last year. But, you know, focusing on the 2-year after all the data coming out this week is going to tell you what the markets feel about the Fed raising rates 2 more times or just 1 more time. We got Steve Davis, Leah Bardo, Sanjeev, JLY. Guys, listen, if you guys are not members still and you have not, and you're not ready to join, that's okay. We do have a 7-day trial. If you guys want to join our trial, it's only $3. We charge $3. Listen to me. We charge $3 just to make sure you're a real person. There are thousands of people in our chat room during the day. We maintain a very high quality chat room. We're all focused on making money. I don't want to jeopardize that and have somebody come in there and start spamming a bunch of nonsense and distract people during the day. So that's the only reason why we charge you $3. There is no automatic renewal. There's no automatic upgrade. There's no reoccurring charge. It's a one-time payment of $3. You get 7 trading days with us. The weekend does not count. So you actually get 7 trading days. Go to ttgthree.com. Again, that is ttgthree.com if you guys want to join our 7-day trial. It's a one-time payment, just $3. That's it. ttgthree.com if you guys want to join our 7-day trial. Just click enter your name, email, phone number. Yes, I want this. Fill out the form. Go ahead and sign up. It's a one-time payment of $3. That's ttg3spelledout.com. Otherwise, if you, and I'm wait, full transparency, if you join our trial, okay, you're not going to get the 907 price point. The 907 price point is good until midnight tonight for those that want to take advantage of this deal. So if you want the 907 price point, you got to go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price drops to 907, and then check out and you're good to go. And you guys will get, the free laptop as well. Steve Davis, I feel you completely, bro. Steve Davis says, I've been ripped off by a couple other services. I'm a little gun shy. Let me show you you're not alone, Steve. Members of True Trading Group. What I would like for you to do now is type the number 2 if you used to be part of another group and now you will call TTG your forever home. Go ahead and type the number 2. Members of True Trading Group. If you've been scammed by some other group and now you found True Trading Group and it's the place you call home, go ahead and type the number 2 inside chat right now. Now, Steve, pay attention to how many people are typing the number 2. You are not alone in being scammed by other groups, but then now here are your people of True Trading Group. What is that? Is Adam? Is that a new member? T? No. Why don't you calm down a little bit back there? Is $1,000 enough to start trading with you guys? Yes, it absolutely is. Okay. You don't need tens of thousands of dollars to get started trading. Okay. You don't need tens of thousands of dollars to get started trading. Okay. $1,000 will do it. We've had members that started with $100, $200, $300 and have turned those accounts into 4- and 5-figure accounts. You don't need more. You don't, $1,000 is enough. You just have to learn how to trade options. We'll teach you and use a cash account. I had the exact same concern. Now I'm lifetime. This group is real. Absolutely. All right, guys, so that's it. Again, ttgthree.com for the trial, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code for the 907 price point. All right, so congratulations, everyone that joined today. You guys are going to be part of the giveaway. We're going to be giving away $1,000 to 2 people from the people that signed up on this live stream. So congrats to those of you. Again, if you see a laptop, you are getting one. Okay. So when you go to ttgoffer.com, as long as you see a laptop, that is how you know you are getting one. You have until midnight tonight for the 907 price point before the price goes up. Use the coupon code. You have to manually type it in, TTG121, click apply code. Price drops all the way down to 907. You got the double your money back guarantee. I don't think you need it. It's there for peace of mind though. You'll join for 907. If you can't make back 907 at least once, we'll give you back the 1814. I just ask you actually utilize the platform you subscribe to, go through the courses, pass the quizzes, a 10-1 study group. You got the free laptop. We cover shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. You don't need to enter your address to get the laptop. Be on the lookout for a welcome email with instructions how to claim that laptop. Thanks for joining us tonight, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the live. Congratulations, members, that were able to hit on some of the bangers from today in chat. I think this is just the beginning. There's a ton of catalysts still to come out here this week. So go to ttgoffer.com, take advantage of the deal, TTG121 coupon code.